There are many ways to make a green building. We can apply the criteria of sustainable architecture by, for example, using materials such as wood to diminish ecological impact, creating spaces that use natural elements such as wind and water to improve their comfort, not using big energy wasting devices such as air conditioning, reducing the impact of materials and building processes during construction, systems of recollection of water, solar panels to recollect energy, etc. Even though there is another way to look at sustainable architecture, through green roofs. A green roof is a roof of a building that is partially or completely covered with vegetation and growing medium, planted over a waterproofing membrane. It might also include additional layers such as root barrier and drainage and irrigation systems. There are a lot of environmental benefits from green roof, like for example, reduce heating by adding mass and thermal resistant value, reduce cooling by evaporative cooling, reduce the city overall temperatures during the summer if it is a concentration of green roofs in the urban area, reduce stormwater runoff, improve natural habitat creation of pollution areas, filter pollutants and carbon dioxide out of the air, filter pollutants and heavy metals out of the rainwater, create an agricultural space in the city, etc. One of the most incredible examples is the building located in the city of Fukuoka, Japan, named ACROS FUKUOKA. ACROS FUKUOKA Prefectural International Hall. This building has been designed by an Argentine architecture company, Emilio Ambas and Associates, characterized for reinterpreted the relationship between architecture and landscape, presenting projects covered by nature with the slogan "Green covering the gray." ACROS FUKUOKA has two very distinct sides. One side looks like a conventional office building with glass wall, while on the other side there is a huge terrace roof that merges with a park. The garden terraces, which reach up to about 60 meters above the ground, contain 35,000 plants representing 76 species. A huge semicircular atrium and the triangular lobby provide contrast to the greenery. In these spaces develop a symphony hall, offices, and shops. The building was constructed on the last remaining green space in the city center, so the architects create a design to preserve the green space as much as possible, while still fitting in a large office building. In fact, the terrace can be admired from the distance, or can be experienced in a route through large external stairs. These spaces are used by many people in the area for exercise and rest, and affording beautiful views of the city. In addition to the beauty and human utility, the green roof in the terraces reduces the energy consumption of the building, because it keeps the temperature inside more constant and comfortable, and also capture rainwater runoff and support the life of insects and birds. To conclude, ACROS FUKUOKA is a magical creation in form of pyramid, which integrates concrete and green, allowing different ways to create public and ecological spaces in the city.